While the Russians have achieved some incremental tactical success in the Donbas over the last several weeks and actually months, they have failed to achieve their strategic and operational objectives. A capable and defiant people of Ukraine, their capital still stands, their army still fights, and their people are more determined now than ever to preserve their democracy. The Russian failure is because of the inspiring, the bravery, the resolve, the courage, the resistance of the Ukrainian people. But it's also because of nations coming together, the international community coming together under U.S. leadership to form this present-day arsenal of democracy. Freedom-loving countries around the globe have a stake in preserving the rules-based international order. Collectively, we cannot allow the strong to conquer the weak, nor tolerate the idea that might makes right. The unprovoked Russian aggression has profound consequences, not only in Ukraine, but across Europe, and indeed across the globe.